Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, still wondering how to jump into the action of PUBG Mobile Lite in India, even as we head into 2025? It's true, many of you absolutely love this game, especially for its quick matches and intense gameplay. If you're hoping to dive back into those familiar battlegrounds, you're in luck. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enjoy PUBG Mobile Lite, right here in India, no matter the year. First off, let's understand why playing PUBG Mobile Lite isn't as straightforward as it used to be. The game, along with many others, was unfortunately banned in India a few years back. This means you won't find it directly on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store within the country. But don't let that discourage you. There are still secure and reliable methods to get around this, allowing you to enjoy your favorite game. So, what's the secret sauce to playing PUBG Mobile Lite in India? It's a reliable virtual private network, commonly known as a VPN. A VPN essentially reroutes your internet connection through a server in a different country, hiding your real location. By making it seem like you're browsing from a region where the game is available, you can bypass those geographical restrictions. It's a simple yet powerful tool for unlocking content. Ready to get started? Here are the easy steps. First, download a good VPN app from your phone's app store. There are many free and paid options. Next, open the VPN and connect to a server in a country where PUBG Mobile Lite is still active, perhaps the Philippines or Brazil. Then, you'll need to download the game's APK and OBB files from a trusted third-party website. Once downloaded, install them, making sure your VPN connection remains active, and then you're ready to play. Before you jump in, a couple of important notes for your safety. Always use a highly reputable VPN service and download game files only from trusted, verified websites to avoid malware. While using a VPN, you might notice a slight increase in your ping, which is normal but usually manageable. With these tips, you can enjoy PUBG Mobile Lite in India, even in 2025, and stay safe while doing so. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.